Fix in 5. P0224. Throttle/pedal position sensor/switch B Circuit Intermittent. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. You can keep driving, for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated, verify with OBD2 scanner, freeze frame data, engine hesitation or stumbling on acceleration, verify with test drive, note RPM/load when occurs, rough idle, typically 400 to 600 revolutions per minute hunt, verify with OBD2 scanner live PID TPS voltage and idle RPM, stalling or hard starting, verify with cold start test, monitor TPS voltage during cranking. Now the most likely causes. Faulty or dirty throttle position sensor, signal voltage erratic or stuck at high/low value. Typically 75% of P0224 cases. TPS wiring harness damaged or corroded, open or high resistance connection in TPS circuit. Typically 15 to 20% of cases. TPS connector loose. How to fix it? Inspect throttle position sensor. Inspect accelerator pedal position sensor. Inspect throttle body assembly. Check wiring and connectors. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly €25.95 doing it yourself, or €65.135 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, can I fix P0224 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0224 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0224. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.